Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the currency on the Binance app. This is a simple process, so let's dive right in. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings. Here, you'll see various options to customize your Binance experience. Now look for the option called Currency. This setting allows you to change the currency displayed on the app, so you can view prices in your preferred currency, whether it's USD, Euro, or something else. Tap on Currency and see a list of available currencies will appear. Choose the one that suits you best. Once selected, your Binance app will automatically update to display all prices in that currency. And that's it! You've successfully changed the currency on Binance app. Now, you can browse and trade using the currency of your choice. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!